You ready? Okay, go.
Master, this is recorded through a fly here, and you have to have a fly's eye to see it. It's the thing that's gonna make Captain Beefheart and his magic band fat. Frank, it's the big hit. It's the blimp, Frank, it's the blimp. When I see you floating down the gutter, I'll give you a bottle of wine. Put me on the white hook, back in the fat rack, shadracky shack. The something hoop, the blimp, the crazy hoops, their tail, tits, the blimp, the mothership, the brothers head under their hood, from the blimp, children, stop your nursing, unless you're rendering fun, the mothership's the one, the blimp, the cape's a trip, it's a trailer tail, it's traipsing along behind the blimp, the nose has a cramp, the nose is for the blimp, it blows the air, the snoot is a bear, look up in the sky, there's a dirigible there, it's lazy hoops, whir, you can see them just as they were, all the people stare, and the girl's knees tremble, and run and wave their hands, and run their hands over the blimp, daughter, don't you dare, oh mama, who cares, it's the blimp.
Hello? Sure did. That's beautiful. I think that we have enough on tape to just use that as is for the album. Okay, I'm gonna listen to it back now. I gotta go back to work.